The Amazing Mumford Forgets the Magic Words. Written by Patricia Thackeray. Illustrated by Norman Chartier.
The Amazing Mumford.
That's me! Where am I? Who am I?
You're on next, Amazing Mumford.
What? Who?
And now, performing his most famous feat, the rabbit in the hat trick, the Amazing Mumford.
I must be Mumford. Amazing! I, the Amazing Mumford, will now perform my most famous feat, the rabbit in the hat trick.
I came all the way from the North Pole for this.
Fantastic!
Wow.
Allah, 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 Allah Turkey Club sandwiches.
This guy is a quack.
Allah hot pastrami sandwiches.
Down to 75 cents, please.
What's that?
He's gone bananas.
Ahem. Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. I, the Amazing Mumford, will now wave my magic wand and say the magic words. A la tuna salad sandwiches.
All aboard the Cookie Express.
Boo!
Yes.
Now watch carefully, please, as I, the Amazing Mumford, wave my magic wand and say the magic words, a la bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches.
This is no laughing matter. You say a real.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the moment you've been waiting for, I hope, a la meatball hero sandwiches.
It's only Super Grover.
Oops! Ouch! It is I, Super Grover. You called for a hero, Mumphy?
Grover, you're ruining my act.
Oh, I am so sorry, Mumphy. I was just about to have my lunch. I will simply sit here and quietly munch my peanut butter sandwich.
That's it, the magic words, a la peanut butter sandwiches.
Hooray for Mumphy!
Once again, Super Grover saves the day.